Hello and welcome to the channel. You know, sometimes you get in your car and you turn on the AC and it kind of smells a little funky. That is due to the microfilter being dirty and it needs replacing. Today I'm going to be installing a microfilter in a 2011 Audi S5 and I'm going to show you how. I'm going to be installing a new microfilter in the Audi S5. This is the part number. And of course you can get whatever aftermarket brand you want. This one happens to be a Volkswagen branded microfilter. And of course one corner here is slanted so that you can insert it only one way. Now I'm gonna go underneath the glove compartment. And I'm gonna move my light here so we can see. Underneath the glove compartment, there's kind of this foam insert here at the back, and these three turn screws, I guess, made out of plastic, and we're going to twist Alright, so here's one. This is what it looks like. So two more to go. We got this one out, and we're gonna go here. And the last one over here. Alright, that's 3 screws. That's what that looks like, just underneath the glove compartment. And it is like a foam, so kind of be gentle. All right. This here is the where the filter is, this white piece, and there's little grooves where it's locked into place, so you have to slide it over to the side. So I slid it this way, and then it should pop down, and then the filter should just fall down. Now you may need 2 hands to kind of put the new one in, because it kind of has to curve a little bit right here. This is the old one. That's the new one. So you can tell it's dirty. So this is going to be on my right hand side when I insert that. Make sure these are sliding into the little grooves as you insert it, and then you push it over to lock it in place. Alright, so here's the new one. Now I may need 2 hands for this, so I'm just gonna try starting it in that slot. So I kind of bent it a little bit so that I could start it, and it kind of curves around. And then you kind of push it on each side, like that. All right, and the plastic piece that was holding it has this little handle on the bottom, and that's the right hand side. Bring it up, and
Now I'm gonna have to make sure this here slides into the groove. I use two hands to kind of push up where those tabs were here and here while pushing it in this direction. Now if I went backwards like this, slide it in all the way back, and then slide it forward to see what happens then. We'll have to make sure that these then line up with these plastic screw holes. And you should be able to see them. And I can actually feel them as well. So now we should just have to put these screws back. That's tight.
Well, that's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and a like if you like the video. And please subscribe if you want to see more of my content in the future. See you next time.